Are you ready to take those plain Dollar Tree foam pumpkins and turn them into stunning high-end fall decorations without spending a fortune? Imagine filling your home with cozy autumn vibes while keeping your budget under control. Welcome back to Green Haven Homes, the place where we transform simple, affordable finds into gorgeous home decor that you'll be proud to show off. Today, I'm sharing 10 of the easiest and cheapest foam pumpkin DIY ideas that will instantly elevate your fall setup. Stick around until the very end, because I'm going to show you how to style them all together to create the perfect fall centerpiece for your home. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss another budget-friendly home project. DIY number 1 is the rustic twine pumpkin. Start by painting your foam pumpkin with a soft neutral chalk paint. Think cream, beige, or light gray, to give it that cozy farmhouse feel. Once the paint is completely dry, grab some natural jute twine and wrap it around the grooves of the pumpkin. This simple step instantly adds texture and charm, making it look like something you'd find in a boutique. Hot glue the ends of the twine in place, so it stays nice and secure. To finish it off, tie a small raffia or burlap bow around the stem and add a faux fall leaf for a little extra detail. You can style this pumpkin on a coffee table tray, with a candle and a few pine cones for that perfect autumn vibe. This is one of the easiest transformations you can do, and it sets the tone for a warm rustic look throughout your home. DIY number 2 is the Farmhouse whitewashed pumpkin. Start with your Dollar Tree foam pumpkin, and give it a base coat of warm brown or even light orange, so you have some depth showing through later. Once it's dry, use a dry brush technique. With white chalk paint, dip your brush lightly in the paint, dab most of it off, then gently sweep it over the pumpkin's surface. This will leave some of the base color peeking through, and create that gorgeous rustic weathered look that fits perfectly with farmhouse style. Next, remove the original plastic stem, and replace it with a small stick or piece of driftwood, to give it a more natural, realistic look. Tie a piece of twine or thin burlap ribbon around the new stem for a simple finishing touch. Style this pumpkin with a few mini pine cones, a lantern, or a cozy plaid throw nearby, to create a charming fall vignette on a console table or fireplace mantel. This project is so quick, but the result looks like you spent way more than just a few dollars. DIY number 3 is the Glam Gold and Glitter Pumpkin. This one is perfect if you love adding a touch of sparkle to your fall decor. Start by painting your foam pumpkin with metallic gold acrylic paint, making sure to cover every side evenly. Let it dry completely, so you have a smooth, shiny surface to work with. Next, grab some Mod Podge and a soft brush, then apply it to the top half of the pumpkin, or just along the ridges for a more subtle effect. Sprinkle fine gold or champagne glitter over the glued areas until they shimmer beautifully in the light. To complete this glamorous look, add a thin satin ribbon, or even a sparkly bow at the base of the stem. You can group 2 or 3 of these glitter pumpkins together as a centerpiece for your Thanksgiving table, or place one on a shelf to catch the light and create a cozy glow. This DIY adds a festive, elegant touch without going over budget, and it's a great way to make your fall decor feel special and a little more sophisticated. DIY number 4 is the fabric-wrapped pumpkin. This one is cozy, customizable, and perfect for using up scrap fabric you may already have at home. Start by cutting a square of fabric large enough to fully wrap your foam pumpkin. Plaid flannel, buffalo check, or even an old fall scarf works beautifully. Place the pumpkin in the center of the fabric, then gather the fabric edges and tuck them neatly into the hole where the stem is. Use a little hot glue if needed, to keep everything secure and smooth out any wrinkles, so it looks nice and polished. For the stem, replace the original one with a cinnamon stick or a small twig, to give it a natural rustic feel. Add a sprig of faux greenery or berries tucked into the stem area for extra texture. These fabric-wrapped pumpkins look amazing when you make them in a few different patterns and sizes, then group them together on a console table or entryway shelf. They add instant warmth and charm to your home, and can be reused year after year without any worry of wear and tear. DIY number 5 is the carved faux pumpkin vase. This project turns a simple foam pumpkin into a stunning floral arrangement that can sit on your dining table or kitchen island all season long. Start by carefully cutting off the top of the foam pumpkin, using a craft knife. Scoop out some of the inside foam if necessary, so you have room to insert floral foam or a small container to hold your arrangement. Once that's done, paint the outside of the pumpkin in your choice of color. White, cream, or even a soft sage green works beautifully for a neutral look. Next, arrange faux fall flowers, eucalyptus stems, or even dried wheat into the opening of your pumpkin. Add small accents like berries, acorns, or mini pumpkins for an extra pop of fall charm. This centerpiece is so easy to customize. You can go bright and colorful with oranges and yellows, or stick with muted neutral tones for a more sophisticated display. The best part is it will last the entire season without wilting, and you can easily switch out the florals next year for a completely new look. DIY number 6 is the chalkboard message pumpkin. This one is so fun because you can change it up whenever you like. Start by painting your foam pumpkin with black chalkboard paint, making sure to cover it evenly with 2 thin coats for the best finish. Allow it to dry completely before moving on. Once dry, use a piece of chalk or a white chalk marker to write a cozy fall message, like "Hello Fall," "Give thanks," or even your family's name. You can add little doodles like leaves, swirls, or tiny pumpkins around the words to give it some personality. The best part about this DIY is that it's reusable all season long. If you want to change the message for Halloween, Thanksgiving, or even just a fun weekend gathering, simply wipe it off with a damp cloth and write something new. Place it on your front porch, kitchen counter, or mantel as a cute seasonal accent that also doubles as a little message board for your home. This project is not only affordable, but also interactive, making it perfect for kids to join in and help decorate. DIY number 7 is the succulent-topper pumpkin, and it's perfect if you love a modern farmhouse or boho look. Start by painting your foam pumpkin in a soft neutral color like cream, taupe, or even a muted terracotta. Once it's dry, grab a few faux succulents from Dollar Tree or any craft store and arrange them on top of the pumpkin, where the stem would normally sit. Use hot glue to secure them in place, layering different shapes and sizes to create a natural full look. Tuck in a bit of Spanish moss or reindeer moss around the succulents to give it a realistic finish. Nidus. This pumpkin is a showstopper when displayed on shelves, mantels, or even as a dining table centerpiece. Because succulents have such a clean and modern aesthetic, this project works well even if you prefer a minimalistic fall style. It's a unique twist on traditional pumpkin decor, and a great way to add greenery to your space without having to worry about watering plants. You can even make a few in different colors and group them together for a stunning arrangement. Nidus DIY number 8 is the ombre painted pumpkin, a beautiful way to add depth and a designer touch to your fall decor. Start by choosing 3 coordinating paint colors, one dark, one medium, and one light, in a fall-friendly palette like burnt orange, pumpkin spice, and creamy ivory. Begin with the darkest color at the bottom of the pumpkin, and work your way up, blending into the medium shade in the middle and the lightest shade at the top. Use a slightly damp sponge or brush to soften the lines between each color, so you get a smooth, gradual transition. Once your ombre effect is complete and fully dry, you can leave it as is for a chic minimalist look, or add extra details like gold leaf along the ridges for a touch of glam. This DIY works well when you make several pumpkins in different color combinations, and group them together for a striking display on your mantel or dining table. The ombre effect makes them look like high-end decor pieces from a boutique store, but you'll know you made them yourself for just a few dollars. Nidus DIY number 9 is the decoupage pumpkin, a simple way to give your foam pumpkin a custom high-end look. Start by choosing pretty napkins, tissue paper, or scrapbook paper with a fall theme. Think florals, plaid patterns, or vintage text designs. Carefully cut or tear the paper into smaller pieces, then brush a layer of Mod Podge onto the pumpkin's surface. Gently press the paper pieces onto the pumpkin, smoothing out any wrinkles or bubbles as you go. Once the entire pumpkin is covered, apply another thin coat of Mod Podge on top to seal and protect the design. The end result looks like something you'd find in a boutique home decor store, but you made it for just a few dollars. You can play with different patterns for a variety of styles. Cozy farmhouse, elegant vintage, or even bold and colorful for a more playful look. Pair these pumpkins with candles, books, or wooden trays to create a curated display that feels intentional and artistic. This DIY is also a great way to use leftover paper scraps and customize your pumpkins to match your home's color scheme perfectly. DIY number 10 is the minimalist wooden bead stem pumpkin, a perfect choice if you love neutral and Scandinavian-inspired decor. Start by painting your foam pumpkin in a soft white, cream, or light gray to create a clean and airy base. Once the paint is dry, hot glue small wooden beads along the grooves of the pumpkin, following the natural lines to create a beautiful textured look. Replace the original stem with a small wooden dowel, cinnamon stick, or twig to keep the natural aesthetic consistent. This project is ideal for creating a calming minimalist fall vibe that still feels cozy. Style it with other neutral tone decor pieces, like linen table runners, woven baskets, or rustic wood trays for a cohesive look. These bead-accented pumpkins are subtle but striking, making them perfect for anyone who prefers understated elegance over bright seasonal colors. They also look beautiful in groups of 3 on a mantel, dining table, or entryway table. Now that we've created all 10 DIY pumpkins, let's bring them together for one beautiful fall display. Arrange your rustic twine pumpkins with the farmhouse whitewashed ones for a cozy layered look. Place the glam gold and glitter pumpkins in the center to add a little sparkle, then surround them with the fabric wrapped and decoupage pumpkins for texture and color. Add the carved pumpkin voles right in the middle as your statement piece, filled with those beautiful faux florals. Don't forget to mix in your chalkboard message pumpkin and succulent-topper pumpkins to keep the arrangement feeling playful and unique. The ombre pumpkins and minimalist bead pumpkins can be placed on the outer edges to create balance and bring everything together. Light a few candles, sprinkle some pine cones or faux leaves around the base, and step back to admire your work. In just one afternoon, and for just a few dollars, you've created a high-end magazine-worthy fall centerpiece that makes your home feel warm and inviting. Thank you so much for spending time with me today and creating these beautiful budget-friendly pumpkin projects. I hope you're feeling inspired to grab a few foam pumpkins from Dollar Tree and try one or all of these ideas in your own home. Let me know in the comments which DIY was your favorite and which one you'll be making first. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you loved it. Subscribe to Greenhaven Homes and turn on notifications so you never miss a cozy, affordable home project. Share this video with a friend who loves decorating on a budget. I can't wait to see you back here next week when we'll be making a matching fall wreath to go with these pumpkins.